our road trip began to explore one of the most captivating places on the planet. Diversity to experience and live within forest of the natural beauty of Olympic Peninsula, a home to beautiful beaches, majestic mountains, natural lakes, salmon-bearing river, temperate rainforest and wilderness, combined with charming small town and cultural delights. Day 1, we started on our way to Ho Rainforest, looking for the Pacific Northwest Rainforest we have read about often. Now it's a chance to take in one of the best. And here we drive through the most amazing forest I ever been. Mosses and ferns that blanket the surfaces add another dimension to the enchantment of the rainforest.
Hi, I'm Rashmi Patel back with more of travel content, and this time for the next 3 days we are here in the Olympic National Park, which is one of the most diverse national park in the country. We are looking forward to explore as much as we can over this weekend. So you guys stay tuned and let's roll the day.
The dense rainforest valley of the glacier-fed Ho River. The word Ho is a Native American term meaning fast-moving water and describes the beautiful Ho River perfectly.
This is where we are at Ho Rainforest. Feels really accomplished and definitely feel as if we entered the fairy tale lane. Moving ahead, we'll go to the trail and walk down by the fall.
There are beautiful trails which take across the waterfall, and one of them is the Salmon Cascade Falls, a short, nearly roadside stop. It is one of the most spectacular temperate rainforests in the world, and hikers of all levels can experience its beauty on one of its trails. Covering the second trail, Salt Duck Falls. The route is family friendly and pleasant. Wandering beneath a dense forest canopy and among every shades of green.
They run all the way until...
Good morning, guys. It's day 2 in Olympic, and we are all geared up for the day. I'll see you on the other side at visiting point.
As fog lifts from the lake's surface to reveal majestic peaks and valley. Day 2 began with stop at one of many pullouts at Lake Crescent, the crown jewel on the North Olympic Peninsula. It is super deep and it has very fresh water, which is deep shimmering glacier cow jewel. Our next stop was at Forks, the hometown of the vampire Coven in beloved Twilight novel, exploring one of the Bella Scar. The day winded up at Rialto Beach with high tide waves splashing the rocks. It is definitely stunning at the Pacific coastline. There is something magical about Olympic National Park, and Rialto Beach is the epitome of that magic. Glad we made time to visit for it, even not the best timing. The morning drive began watching wild deers playing by the way. To up closure experience definitely makes you wonder about how amazing to be here. Whether you are a first time visitor, a returning visitor, or a resident, you are sure to fall in love with Olympic Peninsula. There were a lot of animals gazing around, from deers to American bisons, which were really huge. Being in their surrounding is a vibe in itself. Our trip came to an end by taking some of the memories and strolling through downtown Port Angeles, a town within Olympic National Park, extensive and diverse. The spot to start and stay, a heart of the Olympic Peninsula journey. We are in search to buy a fridge magnet. And there comes an end to our trip back to Seattle on the ferry with wonderful memories. Alright, that was a short trip for today's stay. I hope you like watching as much as we do love exploring. With that, I take a leave. See you next week or so. Likewise, live more, judge less, and look beyond horizon. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rashmi Patel. Goodbye.